Intermediate School's morning announcements. Good morning and welcome to a new day of learning. Today is Tuesday, February 18th. Today's lunch: popcorn chicken, green beans, carrots with ranch, fruit, and milk. Tomorrow's breakfast: breakfast pizza, cereal, and juice. Fact of the day: add, subtract, multiply, divide, come on rockets, show your pride. Listen now to what I say. Here's your fact of the day. 7 times 6. What does it equal? 7 times 6 equals 42. Special schedule. Today is special day 3. Clip art provided by.
Good morning. Welcome to this terrific Tuesday. Congratulations to the following students who were their CARES winners for this week. And we read their names yesterday on the announcements, and here's their picture. Also, the Achieve 3000 reporting is the leaders of each homeroom is Mrs. Stone, Mrs. Schaefer, Mrs. Rumpler, Mrs. C. Denny, Mr. Hunter, and Mrs. Vanderbilt tied. And those were the homeroom leaders in 5th grade. The team is Supernova with 78.5%, followed by J Crew, Hyperspace, Super Troopers, and Asteroids. And the homeroom leaders in grade 6 is Mrs. Zook, Mr. Kniebel, and Mrs. Record. Meteors was the team leader, 81.5%, followed by Stars and Comets. So again, we want to encourage all students to make sure you're getting your Achieve articles read each week. We started a new item where students can submit in this bucket in the office, just being nice to one another. And Caitlin Davidson, you stood up for someone and they recognized you for that. And Andy Finn and Kaylin Button also has always been there for that person. So again, these are just random acts of kindness, recognizing students and teachers for being nice to one another.
Leaders of the week: Nazareth Harper and Grace Dorr. The author of the week is Suzanne Collins. Check her out. She has written The Hunger Games, Catching Fire, Mockingjay, and many other books. The series is about this girl named Katniss who goes into these games, who has to defeat all the other players. And her sister gets drawn out first, and so she tributes. And you'll have to read the rest in her books.
Are we good? Cool. My whole life I've wondered how this wandering heart could turn